just arrived at the Motorsport Park. About to head out to drift school. Out at drift school with the boys.
How you doing?
Got the S's this time, back on main track. We've got figure eights over here, and then main southern reverse, which hopefully gets us by later. Alright, we're gonna go southern to reverse for the first time with this man. It's gonna be This is gonna be a feel completely different. I've never actually gone backwards around the track yet, so it's gonna be interesting. Practice laps on the comp layout for tomorrow. It's a bit tricky. We're completely running out of legs in third, so we're trying to go fourth back to third, which is a little bit going on behind the wheel, but we're starting to get the hang of it now. And it seems to be, I've been staying in third behind other cars in the chase position, which is a lot better. So we'll go out and get a few more laps under the belt, see if we can get it consistent, and yeah, fingers crossed for the comp tomorrow. Battle day, can't wait to get started. Good old Dad getting into things, getting stuff done, finding all the problems that we normally wouldn't find. So had a bit of a split rubber boot on the one of the drive shafts, so we've gone and just done some temporary repairs, taped it up for now. Hopefully it holds enough grease in there. Yeah, we'll get out there now and start getting some laps down. well. I think that was the only thing that split us apart, so well done to Hayden. Yeah, bring on the top 4, this is going to be absolutely wild. Here we go. Yeah, boy.
We got 3 battles.
Yeah, best of 3. Well, first of 2 clear wins.
Jeez.
Let's put on a show.
Not.
I know, this is changing it. Here, you hold on to this.
Oh, yeah.
Very similarly spec cars. Coming around the S's now. It's go time, sugar.
I love go time, mate, because right now, Dell campaign, Jake Jones, campaign lead, Jones on the chase, West Chillen, get to your feet, with a battle on the hands.
Early initiation by both drivers. Jake Jones is right there.
Campaign driving the car through the transition, but Jake Jones not phased, right on his door. Ladies and gentlemen, that's how you do a battle. He's pushing hard. That is a fantastic drive. Here we go, bit of sun-on-sun action. Jake Jones in the lead. Dell campaign to chase.
We've been seeing Jake Jones' big early initiations. We'll see him again now. Jake Jones entering before the ripple strip.
Big throwdown, campaign all over Jake Jones. He's then driving up onto his door. Last corner, he's up all over him.
Campaign is on him like a glove.
Ladies and gentlemen, what a run.
Unreal stuff here at Melrose. Dale Campaign out in front, Jake Jones in the face. We saw Jake Jones initiate before the ripple strip. Will Dale Campaign do the same?
Jake Jones, super aggressive chase. Big initiation behind Dale Campaign. Dale Campaign pushing it as hard as he can. Can he get away from Jake Jones? But Jake Jones, he's on his door. He's all over him. Dale Campaign pushing as hard as he can. Ladies and gentlemen, what a battle.
Hunting down the straight now. Here they go. Jake Jones has flicked it hard. Dale Campaign is right there.
Mate, Jake Jones absolutely pushing him, but Dale Campaign not leaving him alone. Dale Campaign remembered.
Oh, bit of a bobble from Campaign.
But he's still there though. He's right next to him. Right up on him. Mate, these guys are pushing harder and harder each run. I'm worried.
Two of the best drivers that Australia has to offer. 2 very fast high-tech cars, very fast high-tech drivers. Here we go.
Fresh drive, Dale Campaign. Jake Jones right behind him, on his door. Jake Jones going a little bit deeper.
Jake Jones is deep, Campaign's pulling away. And there's a big gap now across turn 2. Jake Jones falling behind a little bit, probably a little bit of advantage to Campaign.
Mate, Dale Campaign, Jake Jones. Dale Campaign threw it in. Jake Jones threw it in behind him just as hard, but unfortunately went a little bit deeper. And that causing him to lose that space, creating a gap between him and Jake Jones and Campaign into the last corner. Ladies and gentlemen, they're back on the line. Dale Campaign, the GH Haulage, Zambia, as well as Jake Jones, Drift Squid. Jake Jones the lead. Dale Campaign to chase. Ladies and gentlemen, on your feet. Come on. This is going to be a big battle.
For this early initiation by Jake Jones, way before the ripple strip. Backwards entry. Will he catch it? Oh, he slowed it down. That'll be, I reckon that's a straight. I reckon the judges will penalise that.
Mate, he lost a lot of speed there and a lot of wheel corrections there. Not ideal for your final battles.
You know, it's one of those things in a big entry comp, maybe, but in a battle, you can't pull a backwards entry that throws off the line of the chase car. Was it sick though? Absolutely it was.
Mate, that was definitely sick.